everybody. I am going to do a mallet smash very similar to this one, which has sold. This already has a varnish on it, but she wants resin, so I will be putting resin over the varnish. And that is a balloon smash. And there's a new mixed media piece. I have shown it before, but I put words to it now. This is still wet. This is when I injected the white with silicone. Oh, I see a face looking right at me, like a dog face. And then this is the ribbon pour with the smooth ribbon. I like it better with the bumpier ribbon. So let's get to our mallet smash, or not mallet smash, balloon smash. Balloon swoosh, whatever you'd like to call it. This is an 11 by 14 inch canvas. All of the colors I'm using are Arteza, but they are self-mixed except for one. This is Pearl Sapphire Gray. This is a whole bunch of yellows and metallics, golds, coppers, all a whole bunch of stuff. This is all of the metallic reds and pinks all mixed together. And then this pretty one is Pearl Sapphire Blue and Violet. So, Ed, happy birthday. If you hear barking, my daughter is coming over to see the dog, so you may hear that. So this is my white Dutch Boy paint mixed with Floetrol and water. Plenty on it because I want to be able to tilt. Smooth out the sides. So very interesting. I was working today with a, I guess, world-renowned Judaic artist. Does pop art, bright, funky colors, paint splashes, and silk screening on his paintings. And I'm always the most curious. Like, I love looking at the pictures or at the paintings, but I love looking at the canvases and how are the backs finished? What do the sides look like? And you know, some of his sides are painted, some of them aren't. You know, I mean, I love the process of it. So I do tape the backs of mine, but when I see other people's art, I want to see the process of it. I love the messiness of it. And yeah, I know some art does not relate to messiness like that, but his art does, my art does. So it was pretty cool. And I was helping him. There was a day school and a nursing home. So the kids and the adults were all working together. It was pretty fun. So this is my balloon from a long time ago, mallet or balloon smash. It will not peel off of there, but it is pretty. So I like to just pour it on. And yeah. it this way. It is so much harder. It's going to drip onto the canvas before I'm ready. Oh man, I got yellow in here. Plop. Stick that there for a wee little bit. This to go over the edge. There we go. So as I've said before, Arteza paints tend to produce sales on their own. So you're seeing a lot of that. Something right here. Just gonna put a little bit more blue. Stay, balloon. So then tonight is the reception for this artist. It's the same place I had my show last January. And then I have work in an upcoming show in 2 weeks called Our Voices. And it's my mixed media work. And the money will benefit the ACLU. I'm super excited. I am hoping I will not be able to, the show starts on a Friday night and I won't be able to go till late Saturday. So I'm hoping there is still art available for purchase. My walls are filled with my art and I need other people's art. Fortunately, the artist tonight is way, 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 way out of my price range. Like, not in a million years in my price range. Even his prints would be stretching it. There's so much to this that I like, but it's so light. I don't know whether I want to darken it or not. I don't want to use any more of that dark gray, metallic gray, because that's really flat looking right there. after I came home from helping this morning, I was Googling how to silk screen. I'm very excited to try it. Doesn't look like it's too difficult. Looks like I will have to put in, manpower hours, but it doesn't look hard, just time consuming, at least to get the setup. Jeez. I am very undecided about this one. Oh, there's something right there. Like, really undecided. I love all the lines. This way, let's see. I like it. I'm keeping it. Yep. It's a keeper. Just touching up. Got a little thin over here. Okay, looking good. Can't get out of my stool. Yep, I like. Looks nothing like the other one. Kind of wondering if the other one was a balloon. It had to have been a balloon smash. But I obviously used a lot more color. Now I'm looking at this from far away. And it's very faint. I'm going to wait. Jury will be out until it's dry. The details are so cool, though. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.